welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dolivia again. First of all, I have to apologize for staying too long without making any videos, but I've been sick, but as you can see, I'm well now. So I brought you this hairstyle. I just have to be creative this new year. I thought of it this morning while I was taking my bath, and I was like, yes, I have to try this style. So if you are interested in knowing how I got this look, then stay tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe and share my videos with your friends and family. Take care, and let's get into the tutorials. So I'm left with one braid. I'll just go ahead and undo it. I had this braid since Monday because I didn't want to touch my hair, so I took time to make it small sizes, in small sizes. That's why it took me about 10 to 15 minutes to undo it. Yes, so I finished taking them down. This is how it looks now. You can still wear your hair out like this, but today that's not what I want. So I'll just go ahead and grab my comb, my tail comb, and try to section my hair. I want a U part like so. I'll go ahead and so I did something like this. I'll secure this part while I work with this. I'll grab a brush . Then I'll take a band and place it so like so. I'll place the rubber band behind where the line is separating these two sections here. Then I'll separate it into two. Like so. So now I'll braid the hair. I don't know, I call it inner bacala, like this. So grab the last hair from this section like this, and the other one from this side. And then I'll use a small rubber band like this. And secure it so the rest of the hair doesn't unravel. I will go ahead and use it's difficult for me to braid and comb in front. Yes, so now I have something like this. Now I'll just try to arrange this part. I just want it to fall in front of my face like this. Yes, I think I like the way it's looking, so I'll go ahead and brush my sides. And this other side. So this is the final look, the side, the front, the other side, and the back. So I hope you liked the video. Please, if you do, give it a thumbs up, and do like and share my video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and I love you all for watching. Bye bye.